And yes, any supercharged Sea-Doo needs a catch can. I don't care if it's JP. I don't care if it's Riva. I don't care if it's some other fly-by-night guy. I don't care if you go to Amazon and go buy one. Okay. To be honest, I find that all current catch cans are insufficient. All right. For the only person, for the person who isn't going to be making excess boost, and the only way that you make extra boost is by changing the impeller wheel on your supercharger, you don't make more boost with a tune. All right. You need to change out the impeller to make more boost. If you have no plans to put extra boost through that engine, all catch cans should not be vented to atmosphere. They should be vented back into the intake tube, into the air intake. So every one of them in my eyes are incomplete. And that's just basic understanding of engine operation. So the Riva kit is a non-baffled bottle with a vent to the outside. The JP kit is, to my understanding, I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, because I've never cracked it open and I've never seen how he manufactures it. But the JP kit is literally just a stainless tube that's vented to atmosphere. It's not baffled. All right. What I want is available for $30 from China on Amazon, and that is an oil extractor kit. All right. What that does, it does everything that a catch can proposes to do, but it's baffled. It has a return line back into the crankcase, and it's vented back into the air intake. That way, it has a continuous circuit of vacuum. Crankcase positive pressure from the crankcase, positive atmosphere from the crankcase, baffling return line, and it's getting negative atmosphere, draw, vacuum from the air intake. This apparently blows people's brains right out of their ears, but that's how an oil extractor works. Or an oil separator, not extractor. Oh, I've been saying extractor. Oil separator. I've been saying extractor. Evil Energy. There. Evil Energy makes total knockoff, cheap, super cheap baffle kits. Smartass. I am a smartass. Yes. Correct. You are correct. Yeah, just type it in. Oil separator kit. There you go. Ray did it for you. It's what, $30? It's all black. The only thing is that you need to figure out a bracket on how to mount it. That's your only problem. You need to figure out how to mount it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.